This is probably going to be the last startup of this air conditioner until I replace the fan motor, because the low speed winding is bad. If I turn it on fan only and listen for the relay to click on low speed, it does, so yeah, it's a motor problem. So I'm going to start this up because it's actually kind of warm in here right now. It's going to be a little bit warmer the next couple days. And we'll see if it still works on the other speeds. I'm probably going to put the Carrier International series in here as soon as I take this one out, which is probably going to be later today. Alright, I just plugged it in. Let's turn it on. So it works on high. Oh, now it's working on low. That's weird. Very weird. Okay, now it's not working on low, so maybe there's a connection issue or a continuity issue in the motor. We'll keep it on medium. I'm going to turn on the Emerson Quiet Cool. This one hasn't been running quite some time. It is quite humid today. That's what it is in the house right now. And there's the current outdoor conditions. Like I said, it's very humid. And it's not really that cold in here, it's just because the air conditioner is blowing right on this. Over here it's 68 degrees, still 75.2 outside. I'm also going to start up the 10,000 BTU fetters with the Rotorex. This thing hasn't been running quite some time. I am now going to uninstall this one and put the Carrier International series in. Got the Carrier installed, plugged in. Let's start it up. Keep it right around there for temperature, and we'll make sure it's on manual mode. I'll start it up on fan only first. It is extremely quiet, almost inaudible. And let's start the compressor to medium. This is a 6200 BTU with a Daewoo compressor and a General Electric fan motor. I think I'm going to actually turn it on high speed. There we go. I'm going to turn the fetters off now, and we'll give the Sharp a run. Oh, let's plug this one in. This is the 10,500. This one hasn't been running a long time either. Huh. I know. That was weird. Didn't want to work at first. Compressor just started. Let it run for a while. This is blowing nice cold air, and the plug is not getting hot, which is good. Probably can't hear it over the Emerson, but yeah, the Sharp 10500 is running now. And the temperature is going up outside. And it's nice and cold already. Very good air conditioner. Now I'll go ahead and start up the GM Frigidaire as well, because it's kind of warm in here. Gonna start up the Sharp 8500 BTU and the GE 6000 BTU. Yeah, so it's the first day of fall today, and we're running the air conditioning. It's supposed to be about 80 today. I'm probably going to be leaving the air conditioners installed until the end of October. I think we're supposed to get some thunderstorms today too. And it's pretty warm in here again, so I'm going to turn this on. Just leave it on low this time. And the timer appears to be working the way it should be. The fan motor on that Emerson Quiet Cool is going to need to have that really thick oil put in it again because it's starting to get loud. I had that running all day yesterday, and the bearing chatter is starting to come back, unfortunately. I'm going to start up this Sharp too. This thing has such a nice compressor sound. It's running on low speed right now. So at some point I am going to be looking for a new motor for this air conditioner. I'm sure it'll be pretty easy to find one because it's a Welling motor and those are still made. So this one will be back up and running eventually.